Hi guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good day everybody. My name is Albert Tam from Download Silo, and today we are going to have a special guest from Semantic Pen, and he's actually Pushpa. Pushpa, how are you? Pushkar, sorry.
No, it's a Pushkar. Pushpa is a female name.
Okay, sorry for that. So you can hear us and see us, right? So how are you, Pushkar?
Yeah, I'm very good. Hope you are also good, Albert. I heard you are going through some health trouble.
Mhm. Okay, no problem. So let me do some housekeeping with the audience. So you can see on the right hand side on the live chat, there are some people already there. For example, Rohit, Tuhin, digital product one, and NAD. I'm not too sure who is NAD. Please type your name if you can type your name, please. And we have Muhammad Abdul Ghaffar, HM Suja, Krishna, So guys, if you can see us and hear us, please type your name and your country of origin. I mean, where are you from, so that we know which region are you from all over the world. So before we start, let's welcome our guest, Pushkar. Pushkar is the founder of this Semantic pen. And he created this pen, a very special pen. We call it AI pen. And from my usage and from a lot of other people who have used it, it is something different from many other AI writers. So how good is this AI writer? Let's find out later. But before we start, I would like to ask Pushkar a few intimate questions that he might want to tell us. So Pushkar, where are you from? Which city from India are you from?
So I am from Uttarakhand, India, and I live in a city called Khatima. And I start. Shall I tell you more?
Come again?
Can you hear me? Can you hear
Yeah,
me?
yeah, I can hear you. I can hear you.
Yeah, so I was a blogger and was doing automation using Python. So I saw many apps like Jasper on the web of AI writer category. So I started working for my own and later started allowing other people to use it.
Okay, so may I know what actually drive you to create this semantic pen? No?
Yeah, so I had a lot of success with automating, auto blogging, what we say in blogging word. So basically, in auto blogging, what we do, we create a script or like programmatic SEO, and we mass publish pages in thousands in hopes that some of them rank in the SRP. So like that, I scrapped my competitor's sitemap and I scrapped their outline, and using that I created a new fresh article and mass published on my site. And after that, I translated using a WordPress plugin into 16 various languages. So my total index pages were over around 700K. So at its peak, it was getting around 10K traffic. So that is really inspired me to take this system seriously, and I started working towards this more.
Okay, so that is actually quite a good achievement on your so-called try basis. So for this semantic pen, are you the only coder in the company, or do you have any other teammates, that is helping you to actually write the codes?
So yeah, I am currently working as a solo founder, and I have some help on some of the script with freelancer, and 95% of the coding has been done by me.
Okay, yeah. I mean, being a solopreneur is actually very tough, That's why I always ask the founders. So of course, when you're just starting up, being one person or one man show, is a way to start. But maybe we hope that in future you will get more teammates, as your what they call the semantic pen getting traction, and
Yeah.
hope that it will become better. So for all this introduction, guys, if you still have any question you want to ask about uh, Pushkar background or anything about this company, please ask in the chat so that we can actually answer that later. And without further ado, I would like to invite Pushkar to go into the backend of Semantic Pen and to showcase how to use this pen effectively, to write articles, unlimited articles, so to say, at a one-time cost. Of course, this is a lifetime deal. That's why it's called a one-time cost. So, Pushkar, I will just project the screen for your backend.
Right.
Okay, just go to the tab that you are going to talk about. Yes, that's it.
Is it okay?
Yeah, you can see and
It's
hear you.
sharing. So, so this is the main article creation screen. So, I have developed this in the last 6 months after talking to many beta tester and early users. So I have let's go through each of the article mode one by one. First of all, there is a cube mode. So I have made this, cost effective way. So we have four modes. The cube mode takes 3 credits, and rest of the mode take 5 credits. We don't charge separately for images or any other stuff like external links, internal links. So everything is included in the credit we cut beforehand, and you know exactly how much it is going to cost you. We don't charge per keyword, and yeah. So next, so I have done this for the tier 2 properties, like in our SEO campaign, like GSA, and there are various other black hat tools for mass spamming and other fast way of ranking in the search engine. So for your main property, you can use pro mode and other stuff. And for your secondary properties, from where you are linking to your main projects, so you can use this, and it has some feature, and with some only this one, like I want to create an article for this, so you can enter your keyword and directly generate an article without going through anything extra. If you need them, then you can select them. Rest other things are optimized by default. So if you want to enable key takeaways, so you can enable it here. So every section is quite modular. So you can turn on and off anytime you want. So uh, let's create an article. First, there are various kind of settings. So I've provided preset like you can save your current setting and later you can select like this. So if I select, so I have saved this setting. So it will select the GPT-4, and I have selected it for the Danish language. So it auto selected this. So you can save your time if you want to use it, you know, quickly. So you can auto select them. And next, you can generate your article. Okay, there is some issue. So you can generate your article here, and you can also select many GPT AI models. I think. So there is another thing called AI SEO optimization. If we turn it on, then it will go through top ranking sites and will fetch their data and parse their entities. so that we get more context around your keyword. And next, so- there is another issue, I guess. Okay, recording. So let me turn off the screen a bit. I need to enter my key. I was testing something. Okay.
Okay. You mean you're entering the API key, right?
Yeah, right. So I was testing something, so I removed it. Okay, can you see it now?
Yeah, it's supposed to be up. Yeah, it's up now.
Okay, so after clicking on it, you can select your article title here, like this. Okay, so if you want to you know uh, add some custom prompt to your article and title, then you can enter it here. So you have you need to enter this setting here, so it will affect your article title. Next, we have four mode here. You can either so if you select none, then nothing will be created, and neither images and video. Auto mode automatically select between images and video. So we use Stable Diffusion, the latest model version 3 for generating AI images. And for videos, we go through YouTube and find relevant YouTube video for your article. Next, we have content setting. I have provided many kind of setting here with readability level recently released it. So many people were, saying that the article you create is quite simple and they are not needed for every use case. Like if you are writing about the programmatic blocks, so they don't have to be simple because the person reading them are quite knowledgeable, so they can understand the difficult language. So I have provided that control here. You can select that as per your article requirement. So yeah, and for your article length, you can select them here. So these are approximate word count, so it varies. And you can also select your point of view. So these are the basic settings you can find in any AI writer, and you can also enter your custom tone of voice. So you can write it down, then we will use it. Section your own custom prompt. So you can apart from the intro, conclusion, and key takeaways. So we will apply this prompt to each section. Next, we have custom outlines. So if you don't want AI to generate your article outline and want to provide by you, then you can enter them here. Next, we have AI entities, or you can say like the main keyword. These are generated using AI, and they are related to the your article title. You can also supply your own context data if you are writing about a competitor. So you can copy paste their article content here. So we will use it first, and then we will use the SRP context as a second priority. So SRP data, the data we fetch from the search engine results pages and URL pages. And next, you can also tag your article, so you can quickly find it. So if you have added any tags, so they will appear here. Okay. Next we have article structure. So I have provided modular level control for each section. So you can, you know, select them as per your requirement. Okay. I have recently also released the SRP selection feature, so you can pick out site from the search engine result pages for to tell us that I want to scrap those sites. So I will keep it on to showcase. Okay, next we have external links, so it can also automatically go to various related relevant blocks. It can find them and auto insert them, and you can also supply your own link here. And if you don't want your computer to be linked, then you can supply your computer's links there. You can also control your internal link settings, etc. And yeah, likewise, you can also include internal links. You need to add your site map. Let me show you. This one. So if you add the sitemap here, so this will appear, while creating article. Okay. Next, if you are writing about any, click, I mean, landing a page article like, product review. So you can add your CTA action. I have seen on many pages kind of structure. So you link to your products. So you can enter the product link directly here, and you can also supply your headings. And if you have some instruction for how it should be created, then you can supply them here. The last option is using custom writing style. So this feature is, a baby feature, and it will be expanded. So we have plans to expand it to include, brand knowledge kind of feature. So you will be able to upload PDF. So it AI can learn from it, and likewise you can supply your company name and other relevant data. The By which we can also create the schema for it, like the company schema. We can directly push to your WordPress site. So this will be coming in the future. Currently, you can supply 300 words here, and we will try to mimic your writing style. So if you uh, enter something here, so these will be given less priority, the tone of style you selected. So we will pick everything from your tone of style. Yeah, this one. So we will give less priority to this, but more priority to this. So let's now start creating. So in this process, we go through search engine results and fetch out the related sites. So you can see these are the live results, and we currently don't store links. So everything you search is the real time, and you need to pick out three sites here. So I suggest you to pick out sites which have blog kind of structure and not the company home page. So you can select 3 4 site here. So minimum you need to select the three sites. So AI better have chances of scraping them. So yeah, okay. So you can see these are the quite authoritative results. So let's see. Now next step is to create the outline. So it takes some time and goes through each search results. So it again takes time. So then at the end, it will create the outline. Everything happens in the background. So yeah. So you can check out your article outline here. Hope I am audible. Everything is okay.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. So you can check out your full article structure here. And we have also provided, you can also give individual section prompts here. So these will be applied to this section only. So this was a request from the user, so I have added it. So likewise, you can also provide separate entities for this section only. So we will use those as a first priority and use the global quantity as a second priority. And you can also supply the custom data here. So many customization options are there. Okay, and you can also drag and drop things here, and you can also add a section, your custom section. It will be added here like this, and you can also add the information like before. Okay, now let's generate the article. So you can also download the article in various forms. So currently we have HTML, CSV format, Markdown, your plain text format, and recently we released the Docs feature. It is quite good for the Google Docs users, and we have also PDF format if you want to keep the everything intact, and sometimes it's needed. So we have provided it here. Next, you can also directly publish to your WordPress site. So you need to add your WordPress site in the settings. Then you can see them here, and you can also select your WordPress author here, and you can also select the category. Likewise for these options, everything the WordPress provides, I have provided them here. So it's quite powerful model. So attach selected a related YouTube video, and yeah, it will take some time to create a. And you can also see your article setting here. It will be turned on after it finishes the article. So I also recently released the numbery kind of style. So earlier focus was to create a good paragraph, and some user were not happy about it. So they wanted free kind of uh, structure like this is italic. So it was not the case earlier. We are mainly focusing on the quality of it, not the style. So now you can see there are various kind of styles here. So these are the raw styles, so they will be published like this only in your WordPress theme. Unless your WordPress theme provide different customization for these, they will be appear like this. And we also have the table of content section. Okay, it looks like it has finished. So it has written the FAQ and other things as well.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so now it has finished. So you can, okay, some another issue is there. So, okay, now we can, let's keep it a draft. So it will go to your WordPress site and we'll publish it like this. Everything. Okay. Yeah, you can see your article setting like this here. And you can also edit your article. This was also recently released. So if you are not happy about something, then you can directly edit it. And yeah. So this was about it. Yeah. And you can check out your article here. Like next, we have Amazon writer. So shall I explain this? I think it has gone quite
Yes, you can
lengthy.
explain
So
that. So
sorry.
no, Pushkar, you can explain the Amazon writer as well.
So, okay, so for Amazon Rider, so you can enter your product URL and we will scrap the product pages. It's main the product page, and we will also scrap the 3-star rating reviews page and the 5 stars. So we make 3 requests for a single Amazon product, and we use the 3-star rating for writing the product cons and 5 star for pros, and the product information pages for creating the main article. And for YouTube videos, we need your video URL, and it will go to directly fetch out its subtitle, and will try to write as per your subtitle. We also use the SRP contest just in case we are not able to get the subtitle, which has been the case for quite some time now, in the last 3 days. So we are working on it, and yeah, rest of the setting are same. So that was it. Let me know if you guys have any question. So I will explain this accordingly.
Okay. Okay, I have a few questions, before we go into the question from the audience, So
Right,
one of the problems of this AI writer is sometimes everybody writes differently. You have your own writing style. Everybody have their own writing style. Some people write
right,
very flowery language. Some people write very factual language. So
right.
I know that you have a column that they call knowledge, but it's only limited to how many words? 300 words, right? Is it 300
Yeah,
characters?
300
300.
watts.
So is that sufficient to train, so-called to train, to tell this, what they call the LLM, that, how to actually mimic the writing style?
So 300 watts is mainly for your style. So yeah, I get it. And if you can provide a full PDF knowledge about your company, then it will write better in your style. If you are talking about only the style.
Okay, that means we can provide, our own written style in a PDF format. How many words actually?
No, it's this feature is currently not live. It will be coming, and for currently you can for writing in your own style, you can supply custom prompt, the global section prompt. I have some.
You have to share your screen.
Right, right. I think this is the process. So, mm, this section applies to the whole article except for the top and bottom section, top intro and conclusion. So you can define the custom instruction here. So yeah, this will be as a custom apply as a custom prompt in the backend.
Let's see. So for the what I call mimic style, so you're actually doing something, to actually uh, input the what I call your PDF, so that they can actually learn the style, right?
It will be coming on the PDF feature. So currently you can supply the paragraph around 300 words.
Okay. Yeah, I understand. Okay, no problem. So for the YouTube to articles features, so are you actually creating new article, or actually repurpose the YouTube article?
Uh, New article. What's the difference between those? Can you just explain?
Okay, repurpose means actually you only use the content from the YouTube. No additional no additional content outside that
No,
YouTube.
no. So we also use the SRP context also. the search engine context along with the YouTube data. So if we find that the YouTube data is enough, we don't use it. But if it is not enough, like sometimes the YouTube scraping fails, Google is coming hard these days. So AI writer are also facing the issue. I also saw on other blogs. So sometimes what happens is it is not able to get the subtitles. So in that case, we use the SRP feature.
Okay, I understand now. So because if you are just repurpose the YouTube article, then there are many many people or many apps that can do that, you know. So that's what I'm trying to find out. Okay, no issue.
Okay.
So let's move into the question and answer. There are many question and answer to be answered.
Sure, sure.
So I will just go from the top to the bottom. I will project it up, then you try to answer one by one. Hold
Yeah.
on, give me a minute because there's so many. Okay, this Mohammed Gafar is asking, is there any bulk content creation features?
No, currently not, but it is in the plans, so it will be coming.
So when you say it's coming, means actually they are doing this because about content creation. Basically, I know what they want. You know, maybe they are doing some bulk content like maybe for backlinking or whatever. But time is a factor. So basically, they just want a push button. A
Yeah,
push
right.
button. But then there will be not a lot of kind of modification in the content or outline as what you have done. So that takes a long time because one article maybe your preparation take about maybe 15 minutes to half an hour or even more. But for content, but content creation, normally people just like to give you some input, maybe title or maybe whatever content, you know. Then they'll just push a button and they expect maybe 50 articles per session or something like that. I'm not sure whether how are you going to tackle this bug content creation, you know, what is your plan?
So yeah, I have created a beta version for it. So the thing is, the it's about the tech part. So I have delayed it. So the technology on the bulk creation part works is separate from the my main app. So I have to write, two times the coding. So it is the time factor also. So I wanted to cover the other part of the app first. Then I want to go to bulk creation, and yeah, like there are many feature requests. Like some people are demanding that we should be able to write from the URL. Like we can supply competitors URL instead of the keyword, and you can fetch out it's their content and then use that data to write a new press article. So this is currently being worked on. Like this, there are many other features. So I'm currently working on this. After that, I will go on to bulk writing.
Okay, understand. So yeah, this question actually, I mean, digital one, Gala, his name is Gala. So definitely is bring your own key, you know. So there's no no free key. So you have to bring your own key. Just
Yeah.
to confirm, you know. Okay, the next question by Timur. Is there auto-publish option for Medium, LinkedIn, and Notion other than WordPress?
So we currently have WordPress and Webflow, and we are currently being the Wix integration is currently being worked on. So I hope to release it in within a week.
For LinkedIn?
And sorry,
No, you are talking.
also no, not the LinkedIn Wix. We are currently working on the Wix part.
Oh, okay,
Wix,
Wix.
yeah, Wix integration will come. We have two publish option. You can directly publish in WordPress and Webflow, and for other medium, you can directly download the article HTML and copy post on your CMS. The integration with Wix is coming, and I hope to release it in a week. And for Medium, LinkedIn, and Notion, and I think yeah, I can build it, but I got a suggestion from Ruhani that people will keep on demanding. So you need to find a way which can satisfy all. So he gave me a webhook to work on the webhook, so it can integrate with many other things. So after weeks, I will work on the webhook part, so it will be good for all. Then with time, slowly I can work on Medium, LinkedIn, Notion. That's a new one on
Yeah,
these things. Yeah,
I think webhook is the way to go because I mean, if you're going to do everyone medium linking, then it will
yeah,
be very very customized, you know. So webhook
yeah,
should solve most of the problem.
yeah.
Okay, thank you. Let's move to the next question from DS Wong. Regarding the live Amazon data, will it cost the company money in the long run?
Yeah, it costs money. We are using Resident's proxy for scraping Amazon. Amazon is also quite hard. So we have proxy cost in it, and sometimes they change their structure. So uh, we have to do the script rework again. Good thing is we are using our own script, so we are not using any third party. So that's a plus for us. So we are saving cost on it.
Okay, DS Wong was asking regarding the custom API integration. Can you elaborate more?
So this was demanded from the coding kind of users. So they want to create an article using supplying their keyword. Like you can supply a keyword, and we will create a full article. Like you can supply using programmatically in a from your system. Like you can query to a API, like API key we give you, and you can put a curl request on it or using any other programs. So you will be able to create an article, and when you make a request, it will go on to your uh, article queue. So we will assemble all articles requested by user, and we will try to complete each one by one, and later you can get this article using the article ID key. So yeah.
Okay. Yeah, I understand that. So hopefully, now DS Wong understand what you say. So let's move to the next question by Jadip Haria. Can we use Neuron Writer API for MPL or NLP? It should be NLP, right?
NLP terms. Yeah. So thing is, many have demanded it, but these I have contacted them, so they are only providing APIs to uh, around $400 plans, I think. So I have put them in the hold. So after some time, I have plans to integrate with. So I want to serve every users from the neuron writer, and I also talked to Ritik from Typeflow, which was recently on SaaS. So we are also planning to integrate with Typeflow. So when the founder are communicating, so it gets easy. So they are, making a custom API integration for us. So user will be able to add their API key. Okay, let me share a screen for them like this. Okay.
Your screen is not
So
showing. Maybe your speed, or you want to share again?
okay, okay. Now it is. You are able to see.
Yeah, it's showing up, but I think its speed is slow on your side.
Okay. So like this, you can enter your API key, Typeflow API key here. So you will be able to select all field and later directly publish to your Webflow blog. So yeah, for Neuron Writer, I've studied their docs. So uh, basically, what people are saying is they want to extract NLP terms from the Neuron Writer, and after Semantic Pen finishes the article, they want to push it to Neuron Writer's content editor, so they can directly check the content score. So I think that's quite good. So I will be able to appeal to Neuron Writer users also. So yeah, this is also in plans, but not in at the exact.
Okay, thank you. So Ted Clark is asking how
It's around
does it
20 to. Yeah, it's the cost is typically varies to per article, but like we use some user reported about the duplicacy thing, like the content is a bit same on all sections. So what I am currently doing is I am requesting SRP data for each section so that I get the unique data every time. So it has solved the duplicacy issue. But when you use the same data again and again, so it create it enlarges your input token count. So the token cost is now a little bit increased. So you can say around 10 to 30 cents for one article.
Hmm. Yeah, that's very cheap. I think to me it's very cheap, you know. So I mean,
Yeah.
okay, Rohit is asking, do we need to bring our API? What API is
Yes.
talking about?
Yeah, he is talking about the open API key.
Okay, because we have to be very specific. Is it possible to select video fetching from specific channel or manually selecting them from suggestion or including inside the article?
So yeah, this was requested from many users. So I have put them in our plan. So currently it's not possible. It goes to YouTube and searches for your keyword and pick out randomly from the search results, YouTube search results. But you will be able to specify the YouTube channel. So it will be coming.
Okay. Sam Morara asks, can semantic pen generate article that pass AI detection?
So we have not really worked on that direction. So I'm not sure about this. Regarding AI detection, I have seen many users on other sites and in community, Facebook community, that they are ranking AI detected content without any issue. So I don't think this is much of a problem. But yeah.
Okay. Okay, Mabel is asking, was not answered. The custom tone, it would be good that we have more than one. Good, we can save the at least 5 custom tone.
So yeah, this will be coming in the brand knowledge feature I was talking about. So you will be able to upload PDF and save some your own custom preset. So this will be coming under that.
Mhm. I mean, just for information, I mean, my opinion is like this, you know, Pushkar. For the AI to understand your own writing style, your own what you call your language style or whatever, it's best that they digest a few article of your own, then they can actually know what is your style, you know, rather than a few short sentences might not be perfect. I mean, I'm not sure, but this is just my opinion.
No, no, you are correct. PDF will be definitely better because it has the big context to understand your style.
Okay, Nadim is asking, is there separate mode for generate AI images based on prompt, or is it possible to add option in future release?
So I have private. I have built this privately, but have not released for the public. But if they demand it, I will release it.
But basically, I mean, this is your own, bring your own key, so it doesn't really matter. I mean, you just put it up and then people can just generate it, you know, because it's just a
So
convenience.
currently, yeah. So yeah. So the AI, bring your own key feature for AI images. I have not built it, so user can currently generate AI images for free. So yeah, after I create the text part for it, I will be able to give a playground for generating image.
Okay, this question by Sabina Rashid. Is there a mode to humanize the content? So what do you mean by humanize the content? To make it less robotic or look like less AI generated, I believe.
Yeah, so I think she's mainly talking about the AI detection thing. So yeah, so the article you write mainly, rank good on the readability scale. Like we usually rank from 8 to 10, and the readability setting we have provided like the readability level. So you can select your readability level here in the content setting, like 8 to 9 grade, 10 to 12 grade. So you can select accordingly. So if you select the big setting like academic audience, so it will be difficult. So it will be what you can say, hard to read for the normal users. So regarding AI detection, yeah, we can work towards it. So I have seen on other writers. So what they are doing is they are uh, messing up the grammars to bypass the AI detection. So the article quality is really not there when you try to bypass or full AI detected rules. So that was my demotivation that I have not really worked on it.
Okay, thank you. Rory is asking, is there a Chrome extension available?
No, Chrome extension is not there. For which thing you need Chrome extension? I'm not sure about this.
No, Chrome extension for your what you call for your semantic pen. Instead of open up an app, you just open up the Chrome extension. You can basically write an article from there.
No, there is no Chrome extension currently.
Do you plan to
It's a
have
web
one?
app.
Do you
Uh,
have plan to have to create one?
this will be a more tech load for me. So I have not currently not planned it. So not anyone have demanded it really. So
Okay, so I think this is
another.
question is repeated, so no problem. Next question. Generated article AdSense friendly.
So I think he's talking. He meant that do AI generated content have any problem with the AdSense? So Google has clarified officially that AI generated content is not an issue. So what they want is not to directly publish, by generation. They like you generate. AI content quickly and directly publish without any editing. So then it might create the issue. So like you add around 100 words in it, so it should not be the issue. So bulk creation is the issue. Like you throw around 1,000 article at once on a news site. So it looks like spam. So article content is really not an issue, I would say. You should
Yeah, I,
maintain the frequency. Like you cannot just throw away 1,000 articles. You can just gradually increase the frequency.
yeah. Basically, I think this is just to satisfy Google spam policy. So if you, as you
Yeah,
say, if you generate 100 article and put it in your website every day, 100 article on the same website, then definitely they will not be approved. I mean, common
right,
sense. So, but as you say, you have to so-called make it like more humanized. Uh,
right.
in order to get it approved. For the as the article in a sense. Okay. Yeah, this is just a comment. So HM Suja say, it's appreciated. Okay, Rakibu Islam. Is there any credit in tier two beside be or bring your own key? No,
So
your
currently there is not any cost for the AI images. So I have already told in the Facebook group also that image generation is quite costly. So it will be also be coming on the VUIK, and currently you can use it free. So that's it. So you need to enter your LLM key for writing, and for in the future it will be for the images. That's it. So yeah.
okay. Yes,
Okay,
one.
okay. So, sorry, I missed. I think he was talking about the credits. So, you get free credits on sign up. So, when you sign up, then you get some free credits to test things around. So, so these are one-time credits and non-expiring. And rest you will need to enter your VYK key. for generating article.
Yeah, understood. So this question is, I mean, how many models are you actually
So
providing?
yeah, so Rohani also told me that many people will demand many LLM models. So what you do is, integrate with tools like he also suggested me Strakico kind of tool and Open Router, so which provides many models. So you can cover all of them into one tag. So this will be good. So I will be working on the Open Router next. Regarding your question, we have currently OpenAI key, which is BYK, and you can generate using Google Gemini for free currently, but it will be coming in the future in the BYK mode. And I mean, open search, Llama and Mistral. Right. So Llama and Mistral will be, I think, they are in the open router. So I will be integrating open router to cover. I think, yeah, perplexity is also in it. So open router I will work on next.
Yeah, I think Open Router is a way to go because it's getting more popular and it's many models supported. So
Yeah, right.
okay, so Don Gary, okay, it's just a comment that is the best color alternative I've used. The quality looks great while getting a
Thank you.
article rewriter.
So yeah, I'm currently working on some user reported some bugs that this thing is not working and this is what it should be. So I work on it for 4 days. So next, the current thing I'm doing is I'm trying to currently for WordPress publish option, we don't support the WordPress featured image option, right? So you will be able to uh, directly put out your featured image on your WordPress publish. Like I think I have uploaded it. Let me share my screen.
Just share the screen, please.
Yeah.
Are you sharing? Okay, coming.
So yeah, I was working on it today. So this is a featured image, and it automatically gets uploaded to your own site once you hit the publish option. So I work on it. So it will be, renamed for your article title, uh, and it will also have the alt text for, search engine ranking. So yeah, feature will be coming in a day or two, and yeah. And next, can you show the last question?
The last question. This is the last question, right? Article rewriter.
Yeah, yeah, after that, I will work on the article rewriter and Wix integration and featured image. So these are the three instant things. You can expect them in a week.
Okay, great. What is the highest limit of words for a single article?
So there is no limit. I have put it in my end. So if you select like eight main heading, so it can go around 7,000 to 8,000 sometime, depending upon the topic and the number of subheading under the main heading. They also impact it.
But I don't think, I mean, from normal point of view, reading an 8,000 word article is actually very tiring. So
Yeah,
I think I wouldn't write that long unless the article daily demands that kind of length because
yeah,
so
right. So by default, 3 to 4 main headings are created. So they usually create an article of 1,500 or 2,000 words plus. So these are the normal blog length.
okay. Is there any schema?
Is there any schema? We have plans to integrate with Yoast and Rank Math, so schema will be coming on it.
Okay, for linking, can we suggest anchor tags or keywords?
Okay, this is a really nice suggestion. So currently you cannot suggest your anchor text. So yeah, this feature can be provided.
Okay, good. Krishna is asking, uh, I mean, not relevant image in the pro mode. So what option available in such case? I think you keep on generating, you will get your image finally.
Okay, so I will look into your issue, Krishna, to see that if there was any error, I will look into it.
Okay, is there a WhatsApp channel for Semantic Pen to get latest update?
No, we have a Facebook group, so you can join it.
Tasmil Khan, can I see some sample article written on Pro mode, Amazon Writer, and Quick mode? I would like to check out a few.
So I have already shown you the article for the Pro mode, and Amazon Writer I will have to create. I can, generate them later and send that to you. Just let me know in the Facebook.
Okay, yeah, and you can do it later, no? Thank you. Okay, plagiarism checker.
No,
There is no checker right
uh,
now.
this will be a kind of separate product, so this will be not this will not come, and this is certainly not needed because the AI content, created using any AI writer, it is unique. Every time it is unique if you provide them a good context. So
Okay, let's move to the next. Is there any rewrite sentence or text expander option?
no, the AI editor he is talking about, I guess. So the editor you see is normal your editor like WordPress. So AI feature kind of option are not available currently.
Okay. So this is a feature request integration with Squarely SEO.
Okay, you can add this in our feature request on the Canny, and if many people demand it, then we can work on it.
Okay. So Tuhinka is asking when can we expect integration with Wix
Within a week.
within a week. Oh, so nice. Can we use stock images instead of AI images?
So yeah, I'm also working on the Pixabay images and Bing images. So you will be able to choose them instead of the AI images. So some user have reported me that AI image feature is really not needed in the YouTube to article or Amazon writer kind of section. So they need to use the some real image. So they can either use the Pixabay image or for Amazon we can directly fetch out the product images, Amazon product image URL and can show it here. So these things are in plan.
Briefly is asking can we write Amazon review just using keyword input?
No, we need the Amazon product URL also to get its content.
I mean, that will be very limited with just a keyword input because you might not know what product you are talking about. So Amazon is very specific.
Yeah, right. So AI kind of hallucinates quite a lot if you don't give the context. So
Yeah.
for removing it, so we need the Amazon product URL. So only then it can create a good article.
Rohit is
Uh,
asking, is there a way to optimize whatever that is a existing article or existing content?
Yeah, this feature, I think I will have to build it. So I think you will be able to rewrite using URL to article feature. You can enter your URL and we can scrap your content. Then you can create an article using that. So that part will be solved there, I think.
A short answer is Rohit, just continue to use neuron writer. Can we create a set of threshold for the tool to avoid using this and set the threshold will be updated by a month or so? they're talking about negative keywords, right?
Yeah, so I think he generate talking about the AI generated text. So many people have demanded it. So I think I can build it next. So I'm currently replacing a keyword like 12 in the back end. So they do you will not see in the front end. So if many have different priorities. So yeah, this customization feature can be done.
Okay. Next question. Can we add Malayalam language for generating content?
So for there are around 39 languages currently. So if you don't find your language there, then just let me know. I'm adding these languages as per user demand, and I think so. Just let me know, and I will add it. It's not tech intensive, so I can add this in 30 minutes.
Okay. Jadid asking any plan to integrate with WebWave.
Uh, I am hearing it first time.
WebWave is another website builder, if I'm not wrong. So
Okay.
it's another CMS. Okay, let him digest, Jadid. So do you have any other developer or backend team, or you're a single person? This was answered in the very beginning.
Sorry, Avash. Net is disconnected. Great to be here. Yeah, so I'm currently working as a solo founder. So I have some help on the some freelancer, but mainly 95% of the tech is built by me.
Okay, Tuhinka, this question by Tuhinka is actually good because some people write certain content in a certain format. So they always want to use back the same template, So is it possible?
So thing is, AI, I have earlier provided them the option of turn on and off table codes and other formatting option like italic bullets. So AI does not always include them. So some user were complaining that I have selected tables, but they were not generating. So I have currently removed this feature from the front end because many were complaining. So on the backend part, AI automatically selects that when you need a table and quotes, etc. So turning on them off is certainly possible, but when you turn it on, then it's not always that it will every time it will be included. Sometimes it does not get included, so that creates the issue. So I have removed this from the front end. So tech part is ready. So when I figure out that it always includes when you turn it on, so I will show them in the front end.
Will the lifetime plan come with all future updates?
Yeah, so yeah, lifetime plan will get all future updates. So, and when some user were saying that how you can provide the all feature for lifetime. So when we will try to provide every in the lifetime feature, but if they are there are I was thinking on the line of some like listing pages, local listing pages like restaurant in Malaysia in a particular city. So for that we will have a new kind of article mode. So we will need to find and the map page. So we need to find the key places around it. So that will cost a lot. So these will be included in it, but these are quite cost intensive. So it will be limited, but the feature will be provided.
Mhm. Okay, this question by Prakash, right? Are you planning to include the model in the price instead of bring your own key option? I don't think
Okay,
so.
so
Because
he
they will cost you a bomb.
Yeah, so it is currently not possible, even though earlier I offered the LTD without the BYK option, but they are costing me a bit now. So some user were using, but good thing is I have not provided the unlimited option. Like you cannot generate the unlimited article. Like I have provided in the BYK option on T2, you can generate the unlimited article. But in the early version of the LTD, they were not able to generate the unlimited articles. So that's a good thing. And yeah, so if you want to generate article without using BYK, so this is not the good product for you. So we need to sustain these costs for the long time. So if we don't provide the BYK option, then unlimited articles, we will certainly burn out in 1 month.
Okay, this question, I thought I mean, currently you already provide, GPT-4 for, and also cloud, right?
No, Cloudia is not there. We have a Google
Oh, you
Gemini
depend.
1.4,
Yeah, okay,
yeah,
good then.
class
Okay,
body. So
okay,
I'm working on the open router so that will cover all of Cloudia, perplexity, everything.
okay. Will you add feature to regenerate articles?
Yeah, this can be done, but it will cost, obviously, because it will be costing on our side. It can be done. So we will, have a plan to integrate, like you have generated the article and you want to create a new article using the same setting you have selected for this article. So you will be, clone the article setting and we will be able to generate it, a new article.
Okay. I read a negative comment about output result of Semantic Pen. Have you resolved that user issue yet? I truly believe the quality of Semantic Pen.
I thank you, Brave. So yeah, so I have read the comment of I think he was Jason. So I have communicated with him. So he responded once, but have not responded since. I am following up him from last 5 days. But yeah, the uh, for for so he was mainly complaining about the article style thing. So I have already shown you that earlier, there were the paragraphs were of without the style, like numbers or quotes without any formats. So he was, really not impressed with the article style. And regarding the quality, so what I have done is I have implemented the section level SRP exception feature. So earlier, we used to go to SRP only once for your target keyword, and now when you write an article, so you can see delay after every section. So what we do, we combine your target keyword and your section, title. So we combine them and fetch out, unique content for each section. So that has improved the quality a lot. And we have also worked on the, AI title generation feature. So earlier we were not using the SRP context. Now we are using the SRP context for generating the article title also. So what we do, we have our predefined prompt, but we also send out the current live SRP article title. So what other people have written their article topics, so we supply them as a sample to AI. So the article title generation quality has been improved by at least 5x. You can check it out.
Okay. So how many articles do you suggest to post in website every month using Semantic Pen?
So there is not any fixed limit. So it will depend upon how old your site, how frequently you are publishing. So you can gradually increase the count. So there is no big limit. Usually for a normal blog, I suggest you to post at least twice in a week. So 8 times.
Can I upgrade to a higher limit after using it for a while? There's only two
Uh,
tiers, so
yeah, there are only two tiers.
either
So
30
on,
articles or unlimited article. So it's
yeah,
quite
right.
easy. I
It's your
mean,
choice.
if you write more than 30 articles, just buy the unlimited.
Yeah.
How many website have we used? Unlimited.
Yeah, there is no currently though there is no limit, so you can directly download the article using download feature I have suggested, and you can download in the HTML form, Markdown form, and Docs feature for uploading on the Google Docs, and then pushing onto platform like Typeflow, and you can use it on an unlimited block. There is no limitation.
So is it possible to inject keywords or phrases in a set of already generated content?
So this will be like updating your own article. So injecting keyword thing can be done on the outline when we have generated the outline. Though then you can select those outline and insert the keywords there. Then we will try to include them. Already generated content will on the it will be possible to build on the URL to article feature. We are currently being working on. So.
Okay, Krishna was asking, are there any parameters being used to assess the quality of the article by Semantic Pen?
So that's varies, Uh, I have users from the last 3 or 4 months. So he always praises my article. And recently you have seen one of the negative review. So he didn't like the article quality. So the quality varies. Uh, and sorry, the quality varies. But yeah, so and regarding neuron writer, so I will, one of the reviewer have uploaded a YouTube video. So he said that the article generated on Semantic Pen have shown a score of 83 on neuron writer. So many people praises a neuron writer. So when we do the integration with neuron writer, then I will be better answer to uh, about the score or kind of things you are talking about.
Okay, thank you. So this question by Frankios, is there any special NLP model for French language?
So for every language, so what was happening earlier is we were using the English prompt only. So we have different prompts for each language. So that when you use the English prompt, so it get mix of languages. Like you are want to write in the French language, but it will mix with the English language. So there is not any special need for the NLP that I have heard that. Uh, I have French users which have given quite a high rating for us on the Sasila rating page. You can see them there. So I can also talk talk with him if you want are not still sure. So yeah, we have French language currently. Yeah, we have French language. You can check it out.
Okay, Alina is asking, how does the one-click publication feature enhance the efficiency of content creation for WordPress user?
So you can directly, avoid the copy pasting thing and publish thing. You can select your category. You can, enter your WordPress tag. You can select whether you want to publish it as a draft or a published feature or keep it as a private. Every WordPress feature. So I've been a blogger since 3, 4 years. So I know WordPress quite a lot. So I have provided every single feature of WordPress published on the, Semantic Pen publish feature.
Okay. So this question by Prakash, so he want to clarify his question, So he's talking about monthly subscription plan to select different models like cloud and also GPT 4o or competitive
No,
monthly pricing price.
so this already is a VYK feature. So when you are selecting different models, so they don't have any cost on my side. So I don't have any issue of selecting. if you select different models, so this will not be come under the monthly plan. You can select anything you want.
Yeah, I mean, you already decided to bring your own key, so sometimes you want to do another model, then it's going to be difficult. I believe it's going to be difficult. Okay, so there's no limit of the length of the article, so that was answered.
Yeah, there is no limit. You can generate any amount of article.
Okay, Justin, quality control mechanism, right? Plagiarism and commonly used AI phrasing.
So there is not any plagiarism with the AI content, so it's mostly unique. Regarding the common AI phrases, we are, uh, let me show my backend. Can I share it? I'm not sure. So I will explain without it. So what we are doing in the backend is after the your article generation is completed, we are replacing those terms like AI terms like 12. So we are replacing it with randomly. We have defined 4 or 5 terms, so we replace them using those terms, and yeah. Uh, the phrase replace feature, like you can manually define those phrases to replace. So if you find other phrases to replace, so we will provide this feature. So you can also select, enter your keyword to replace.
Okay, so this question by Justin is answered. So let's do it. This question is I can't understand. Can we have stages and statuses of generating content so that we can maintain a process? But you cannot stop the process, right?
Yeah, so I got his point. So mainly he was talking about that so I will build in this in the bulk writing feature. So what he's trying to say that when article process has started, that creation is started, writing section 1, writing section 2, writing section 3 kind of thing. So it will be shown in the bulk writing feature. So we do the live streaming of the article generation, so it is not currently possible to stop the flow.
Okay, I understand what you want. So what settings are available I mean, concerning automatic internal linking?
So you provide your article sitemap, basically not your main sitemap, your post sitemap. So WordPress have or any other kind of site have different kind of sitemap. So you provide your article sitemap there in the personalized setting, and then you go to personalization. Then you provide your sitemap, and we scrape out all the links in it. So, and then when you select the automatic internal link feature, we, fetch out the kind of link from it and supply to AI to give it a context. So AI automatically links to them. So you can currently control the number of links you want in your article. So you can control it. Yeah.
Okay, just to interrupt a bit, Pushkar. I'm actually putting up the link for this giveaway participation form. So guys, please participate in this giveaway. And I just want to make a announcement. For those who have won a previous webinar or maybe giveaway of Semantic pen, please do not participate again because you already won. So I mean, it's only fair that other people will have a chance to win that. So please refrain from actually participate again. So if you win once is enough, So we will actually check that. Okay. Okay. Are you planning to help the community with your expertise in blogging? Interaction with you would be great.
So I am currently busy in developing things, I hardly get time. I work around 12 hours in a day, so I still don't get completed in my day tasks. So it's quite hectic.
No time. Okay. What exactly is real-time sub analysis and machine learning?
So if you are writing about any article, so we go to search results in the real time. We don't use any cache data. So everything is real time. If you want to write about the Olympic medals, that was happened recently. So if you go to some other tools, they don't use the for like if they don't use the real time feature, so they will not be able to get the data. So for getting the real time data, we need the real time SRP feature. So it costs a bit more, but we do it in the real time to fetch the latest data. So everything is the real time, and we do the SRP analysis feature. Like we go to top ranking sites, like we go to dozens of sites, and we form extract those entities and key terms from there to form a good context around it. So that's how we do.
Okay, so jungle
Technology is
point,
tech.
technology stack of your semantic pen.
So the front end and back end is in Next.js, and we have a database with Supabase, and we are using Tailwind CSS, and yeah, that is it. And yeah, for I think we are also using the Redis feature. So for Redis, I have created another server, and that is on Hadjina servers, I think. And we are also using Cloudflare R2 technology for storing your images. And we are also using Cloudflare workers for some of the scripts. And and we are also using the Cloudflare KB storage feature for some of the features.
Mhm.
Uh, Team member option is currently not there. So when it comes, you will be able to add it. But it is currently not in priority because there are many features lined up. So it will be coming, but not immediately.
Okay, I have asked you before, how do you compare with Junior? Never got your reply. Have you used the Junior, Pushkar?
So I have replied it in no. Yeah, I have used it. It's provides a nice article creation feature. So many people have requested me to answer it. So I have created a separate post for it. Not sure. Can I
Yeah,
write it in the chat?
yeah, yeah. Okay.
I think I can. I cannot write it
You
in the chat, right?
you
I
write
don't
in the
see my
private chat
any
so that I
option.
can copy it. Below the live chat, there is a
Mm,
private chat. You write there, I will extract it and put in the live chat.
okay, private chat. So yeah, so I will also explain it. So we have custom writing style feature. So you can provide the paragraph style, and we will have the PDF option next. And you can also supply your custom section prompt. And we have the YouTube embed option. So I have not seen YouTube embed in the Junia. And we also do the deep diving of every top articles, and so you can also create multiple AI images from the front end itself. And we have separate modes for a vision writer and YouTube to article. I have not seen it in Junia. There is a call to action section also, and we can also automatically include your Amazon affiliate link in Amazon product review pages, like the Amazon writer mode. I have shown it. So if you insert your Amazon affiliate tag, we can automatically insert in your article. And yeah, these were some of the feature I have used to create an article one, so that I can compare it. So these were my findings, and we will keep on doing the updates. So you can also check out our change log from the last 6 months, and we are constantly updating things. And if you need any feature, so you can let me know. We build feature as per the user request. So yeah.
How does real-time data integration enhance the accuracy and relevance of AI-generated content?
So real time is absolutely needed for any article creation. Search results gets updated in real time every day, sometimes in hours. So when you do the real time search, so chances are very high that it creates the factual content over. I've not seen any of the cases where the content was inaccurate, because the context we provide is around 10,000 to 20,000 characters. So it's quite lengthy. So I've not seen it any cases of inaccuracy because of the real time feature.
Okay, Muhammad Ashraf, lifetime deal now working. It's not working or now working? Anyway, just
It was working, I guess.
maybe just scan this QR code, then you can actually buy or whatever. It's in our description, inside our description. Okay, let's move to the next question. Last question by Justin. Would Semantic Pen compete with, or would it work with support, quick creator and or go publish?
Go Publish is, I think, Google Docs to WordPress kind of integration, I think. I'm not sure. Quick Creator, I will have to check. There are many article writer, and it hard to compare. So many people were, demanding comparison with the junior. So I tried it, and I will check on it. I'm not really, see it. Quick Creator.
Yeah, the link should be working, but I do not know why. Doesn't matter. So let's. I think we have answered most of the question, I would say. So let's move to the giveaway. Let me do my work. Pushkar, can you just continue talking to them? I will just collect the name and put in the wheels of name.
Sure. So, yeah, so we work on, based upon the user feedback, and you can check out our Canif roadmap and our change logs from the last 6 months. So every single feature of Semantic Pen was built from by getting the feedback from user. So if you want to have a custom feature or a feature that you are looking for, then you just let me know, and you can add it in the request feature option, and yeah, then I will build the feature.
Okay, so we have all the names here. So let me do a quick check on their names. Any repeated names? Okay, there are some repeated names. Okay, I think that's it. So we have about 22 entries. So okay, let's shuffle, and we have to sprint 5 times. Three tier one and two tier two prices. So let's spin it now. Are you ready, guys? So if not, we will just start.
Yeah, this is a cool feature. Animation is quite good.
Okay.
Okay, अच्छा, Suja,
So please
congratulations.
type your
Just
name
let me know you.
to make
Yeah.
sure that you are around to claim the prize. HM Suja. HM Suja. Are you there to claim the prize? Just remove your name first, then we reshuffle again. Okay, while we're waiting for HM Suja, we'll spin the second one. There is a tier one prize. Okay, HM Suja, you are here. Congratulations. So the next question is Gala, are you there? Gala. No. Oh, this is another question by Tuinka. One more question. Any plan to include mind maps and infographic in Semantic Pen?
Mind map will be a bit different direction of the article content creation. Infographics can be planned. Yeah, I will look into infographics.
Okay, good. So the second prize is won by Gala. Satya, are you there to claim the prize, Gala? Please type your name. Okay, let's spin the third one. That is also tier 1 prize. So Justin and also Gala Satya Perdana, please type your name to show that you are around. Okay, now we have the last two prizes, which is tier 2, both of the tier 2 price, higher price, unlimited plan. Okay, guys, where is Gala and also Justin? Please type your name in order to claim your prize, or else I will give it to other people. Okay, digital one product. Your name is not I'm here. Your name is Gala Satya, right? Let's say, yeah. Justin, please type your name. So while waiting for Justin, we will spin 2 times to choose the winner for tier 2 prize. Okay, congratulations. Justin's here. Okay, thank you. Let's spin 2 times for the last two tier 2 prize. Okay, let's make sure you type your name to claim your prize. Then we spin the last one. Okay, please type your name to claim the prize. Okay, guys, these are the names: SM Suja, Gala Satya, Justin, and the last two gentlemen, Tasmil Khan and Muhammad A. Ghaffar. Please be present and claim your prize, or else we will spin again. Tasmil Khan and also Muhammad Abdul Ghaffar. I'm waiting. Tasmil Khan, please type your name. Your name is not I'm here.
That's only.
And also
Yes, that's
Muhammad Ghaffar. No, I'm asking him to type his name. Because anybody can say I'm here, but then I will make sure the right person.
right, right.
Another I'm Aiyo. But I don't know. My English is no good, or maybe they don't understand. Okay. The requirement is to type your name when you win the prize. Don't say I'm here, because anybody can say I'm here.
Right.
Gala Satya, why your name is 2 time, whatever. Is it? Yeah, yeah, yeah. Just now I saw. Where is his name? So, okay, yeah, forgot to delete off one of his names. So he got one. He got a little bit extra chance. That's why he won that. Okay. Yeah, you still don't understand what I mean, Muhammad Ghaffar. Just type your name. Your name is Muhammad A. Ghaffar. Okay, guys. I think we have all the people here. Tasmil Khan, I'm also waiting for your name. Tasmil Khan and Muhammad A. Ghaffar. Am I not clear? Pushkar. I mean, type your name is actually very simple, no? Type your name. I
Yeah,
don't know.
whoever has won the giveaway, please type your name in the comment box so that Albert can verify that you are the person. And don't please write the I am here. So you need to write your full name in the comment box.
Yeah, I mean, this is a very standard kind of thing, So because sometimes people just type I'm here. A lot of people say I'm here.
Right, right.
Okay, never mind. I'll just leave it there. So if these two gentlemen don't come, then I will just spin again. Okay, before we end, let me do a recap, on our session. So
Okay.
yeah, AI writing is actually become very very popular. So I to the extent that some people cannot work without AI writer anymore,
Right.
including myself. Okay, because a lot of things
Yeah, it's quite, yeah, they do the work like I have basically mimicked the manual process. So when I used to write manually, so I used to do the same things. I will go to search results pages and read out various blogs. So I have basically mimicked the manual article creation process. So it is quite good for your first draft. Then later, if you find anything you don't want, then you can edit it.
Okay, so guys, I think these two gentlemen has actually shown their name, so congratulations. So I will do announcement to tell you how to claim your prize. While we are waiting for that, I would like to say thank you to you guys, the audience who spent 1.5 hours with us, and also the founder, Pushkar, who has been very hardworking on the back end. That he actually, because he's very limited resources on his own, so he's actually very hardworking since he started this project. So we hope that you guys can support him if you are not winning the prize, and hopefully he can bring this product to a higher level. Of course,
Sure.
I sincerely hope that he will get more team members, while he actually get more traction, because one man show doesn't last very long, because it will fatigue you very very fast, Pushkar. It get you very tired, so because you have to do everything from sales, marketing,
Yeah, right.
copywriting, everything, so especially support, so that kind of thing. So before we end, Pushkar, you have anything to tell the audience, the parting words?
Yeah, we are quite active, in development. So if you are facing any issue or you have any feedback for the product, so you can just ping me on the Facebook messages and or you can directly email me. And the Facebook group which where I share all the updates, so you can also join it there and you can follow all the development from the last 6 months on the Kenny change blog. So you can check it out and you can also request custom feature on the Kenny. And yeah, that was it. So looking forward to your feedback and support.
Okay, that's it, guys. It's getting late on our time zone, so I will say goodbye now for this week. So maybe next week we might have another webinar on other founders. So say goodbye, good day, and good evening. Thank you, Pushkar,
Thank
again.